Good morning. I'll be discussing step 5, the return to duty drug test with a negative results. So once a driver has tested negative for the drug test result, this information is entered into the clearinghouse by the employee or the CTPA, whoever is the designated person to enter this information in. This information is not into the clearinghouse by the SAP. It is entered in step 5. The return to duty drug test is entered in by your current employee or CTPA. And the return to duty drug tests are observed drug tests. So what's the next step when you step 5 is checked? Step 5 is checking the clearinghouse and it will show that you are no longer prohibited. You want to make sure that your SAP, if I'm your SAP, that we know what employee you're working with, because we have to send that employee a return to duty evaluation letter, as well as it will have on there your follow-up testing plan. That is the information you're going to be utilized. That information is sent directly to the employee. It's not given to the driver. If you're owner operator, it is not given to the owner operator. It's given to your designated CTPA who will be handling your drug testing. So that information is sent over in a letter, and it is up to that employee and that designated CTPA to enforce how many drug tests that's written on the letter. For example, if the letter has you have to do a minimum of 6 tests in 12 months, then I leave it up to the employee to do how they will do those 6 tests. I will give the employee how many tests you have to do and the time frame. So you will be working on step 6, which is doing your follow up testing plan. Once you completed all of your follow up testing, that information is entered in. The last test is entered to the clearinghouse in step 6. Once that is entered in, to my understanding, it shows no open violation. So you might have a question, well, how many follow up testing did I have to do? I cannot share the information with the driver, but it will be on your letter so the employee would know how many follow-up testing that you have to do. So once again, once 5 is checked off and you're no longer prohibited, you are working on step 6 to do your return to duty follow-up testing plan. Once all those tests are completed in the clearinghouse, it should read no open violation unless they change how it's reading. All right. If you have any other questions, give me a call, or you can also check the clearinghouse for more information. Thank you.